So, Dad, are you going to do your show tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
You promise me?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to get alcohol?
What?
Don't get alcohol.
What?
Don't get alcohol, because you see what it's doing to you? You're on the floor.
Mess.
What?
This is a mess. Oh, hi.
The clean one.
So, Dad, you need to promise me you're not going to get alcohol tonight, okay?
What?
You need to promise me you're not going to get alcohol tonight,
What?
okay?
Huh?
Because if you get alcohol tonight, you're fired from your show tomorrow. And the doctor is coming over here in the morning to check your alcohol level. And if you have any alcohol in your system, you're going to be fired from the show tomorrow. You hear me? No alcohol.
Okay.
Huh?
Who said?
Jan. I just talked to her, and she just called the manager of the show, and they said that tomorrow, when the doctor's coming over, and if they test any alcohol in your blood, you're fired from the show. Thank God they're not coming tonight, because you'd be fired from the show. The doctor's coming early in the morning, and if you have any alcohol in your system, you're fired from the show. Okay?
Okay.
Say you promise right now, Dad.
What?
Tell me that you promise you're not going to get alcohol, and you're going to stop drinking. Tell me right now. Tell me right now you're going to stop drinking.
I'll be fine.
Tell me you're going to stop drinking. Tell me right now. Or I'm not going to talk to you ever again. And I will totally disown you because it's not fair to your family. What you're doing. Tell me right now. Tell me. You're not going to stop, are you?
I'll be fine.
Tell me you're going to stop.
I'll be fine.
Tell me you're going to stop. Tell me you're going to stop.
I'm going to stop.
Promise?
No.
Yes?
Huh?
Good. That's what I like to hear. Why do you like doing this to yourself? Huh?
Because I'm lonely.
But
Lonely.
it's just gonna...
I'm in trouble in my life.
So what? You have me. You have Haley. You have
Oh, shut. Fuck you. You don't want good in my life.
What?
I don't have you in my life.
Yes, you do.
I'm bullshit.
What do you mean? What do you expect me to do? Come up here on the days that I have school? You chose to come out here. I didn't choose to come out here. I come up here as much as I can. Every weekend that I don't have SAT, I come up here. There's nothing I can do. I change my schedule around because of you. Don't tell me that I don't give a shit. Being an asshole right now. And do you know why? Because you drank. And tomorrow morning you're going to regret everything that you've ever told me. And you're going to feel horrible.
I don't have you.
What do you mean you don't have me?
I don't have you.
Of course you have me.
No, I don't.
What do you mean? You live in Las Vegas. You expect me to be up here every day? You're throwing your life away by drinking. I don't know why you are. Stupid. Do you like people taking care of you? Because you're sitting on the floor eating a Wendy's. You should be running around.
I don't have you on hotel. I don't have Haley.